All right, Day Tripper by the Beatles. This is set up one step down from the actual key so that it's easier to play on this instrument. We're gonna have a D string, and then 3 to 4 on the D, 2 on the G, 3 to 1 on the B string. I recommend using that ring finger to slide that. 2, 3, 1, and then 2 on the G, then little string open, then back to that second fret, 1 to 3 on the B string. Okay, so that's the main riff. So that's the thing we're going to do a whole bunch of times to get started. Then we're going to move down to this next one. So that's the G string, third string open. We're going to slide from 3 to 4 with the middle finger. And then 3 and 3 down here to the little 1, 3 on the second, 5 on the first, back to that 3, and then 1, 3. So from the G string. So those are our two main riffs. Let's look at that new one again. Okay, back to the first one. Okay, so main riffs of the tune, Day Tripper. Okay, then we're gonna have a new chord. It's gonna come in. It's gonna go. So this is like an E power chord here, 2 and 4 in the big strings. We want to mute the other ones. We just want to hear those two. It's like a rock and roll chord. So 1 A and a 2 B and a 3 E and a 4 E. They're gonna take that chord up to the 5th and 7th. Hit it 8 times, and then 4th and 6th. We're going to come down here, 4 and 7 on those two middle strings. We want to mute those ones we're not playing. 8 of those, and then 2nd and 5th, same shape. Hit that 8 times. And then we're back to our riff. Okay, so this new thing was 2 and 4, 3, 4, 1, 8. Up to the 5th, 4th, lower 4 and 7, 2 and 5, back to the big riff on D. Okay, so let's take a look at that first riff again. Big open, and then 3 to 4 with the ring finger. And 2 on the G string, 3 to 1 over here. Back to that 2, little string open, back to that 2, 1, 3. And then the one off the G. So that's open G, and then 3 to 4 in the G, and 3, 3. 1 on the small string, 3 on the second, a little 5 there, back to that 3, 1, 3. Back to the D. Then we got this chord. And you can also throw in things like kind of do a hammer on. Then we can go up to the 5 and 7. Down 1, down a string here, 4 and 7. Okay, then eventually we're gonna get to the spot we're gonna go into a bridge that starts with this chord. So the 2 and the 5 could also be 2 and open on the bottom, if you didn't want to try to do that stretch all the time, because we're gonna come back to this chord a little bit. So we're eventually gonna come from either this or this and get into this riff. So we've modulated that up to the 5 chord. Instead of doing it on the G, now we're up 1. This is our 5 chord of the song. So this is our bridge chord. 2 and 5, and then we're going to go 5 to 6, 5, 5 to 3, 5, little 7. Same thing we did down here, but in a new key. Okay, then after a couple times of that, we're going to get into this new riff. So we have this little chord. We have 2 and 2 as a chord. Like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1 E and a 2 E and a. Then we have a 2 and 3, 2 and 5. Then I'm going 2 and 2 on the bottom one. 2 and 3, 5. Okay, so it's like 6 different note kind of chord things. And that's how the bridge kind of plays out. It also has like a, if you want to try to get that little blues solo. So anyway, it heads on back to. So then we get back to the main riff. 2 times. Then we have the last verse. Going down to G. Back to D. We got that turnaround power chord. Up to the 5th fret, 4th fret, down to 4, 7, back to the main riff. Keeps doing that and fades out. Okay, Day Tripper by the Beatles. Let's take a look at that bridge one more time. So it ends up being like. Or you could do it like that 2 and the 0 on the bottom, open. Or 2 and 5. You got. You do a little solo in there a little bit. We also have that. Okay, thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. There will be a tab with this. Hope you all enjoyed that. Let me know if you have any requests. Please like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.